In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add opacity in Figma. Opacity controls how transparent an object appears, which is great for softening backgrounds, layering UI elements, and creating subtle emphasis without changing your colors. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along easily. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser or opening the Figma desktop app. Once you're in, go to All Projects so you can see the workspaces and files available to you. Choose the project you want to work in and open it so you're looking at the canvas where your designs live. Next, locate the Shape tool. It's in the toolbar and it lets you insert rectangles, ellipses, lines, and more. Open the drop down to pick the shape you want, then place it on your canvas. You can click once for a default size or click and drag to draw the exact dimensions. If you're following along with an existing design, just select any object you want to make more transparent instead of creating a new shape. With your object selected, look to the right-hand side of the screen. This is the Properties panel, and within it, you'll find the Appearance section. This is where you control fills, strokes, effects, and, importantly, opacity. Click on the Fill chip to open the color controls. Inside the color picker, you'll notice an opacity setting alongside the color values, often represented by an A for alpha, plus a checkerboard preview that shows transparency. You'll also see a general opacity control in the right panel that affects the entire layer, including fills, strokes, and effects. If you only want the fill to fade but keep the strokes solid, adjust the opacity inside the fill color picker. If you want the whole layer to fade uniformly, adjust the main opacity value in the panel. Now adjust opacity to the level you need, drag the slider or type a precise percentage, like 60% for a soft overlay or 20% for a barely there highlight. As you tweak it, watch how the object blends with what's underneath. A quick tip: with an object selected, number keys set opacity fast, 1 for 10%, 5 for 50%, 0 for 100%, and double taps like 25 for 25%. If you don't see changes, double check that the correct object is selected and that you're editing the intended fill or the layer's overall opacity. That's it, you've adjusted opacity in Figma, giving you fine-grained control over transparency to create clean, layered designs.